inside of the leaf. Stomata permit the exchange of gases between the atmosphere and the inside of the leaf. Stomata consist of two specialized cells called gall cell that surround a tiny pore called. Stomata is surrounded by two guard cells which are surrounding the small opening that is called stoma, and these are green color, these are the chloroplast. Main function of the stomata is to allow gases such as carbon dioxide, water vapor and oxygen to move rapidly in and out of the leaf. In different plants, distribution, number, size and type of the stomata vary. In general, the stomata are fewer in number on the upper surface as compared to the lower surface of the leaf. To do the experiment, we require needle, brush, glycerin, cover slip, a fresh leaf of balsam, glass slide, watch glasses, distilled water, saffron solution, forceps, filter paper, compound microscope and dropper. Let us follow the procedure. Pluck a fresh leaf from a balsam plant. Fold the leaf and carefully tear along the bruised area on the lower side of the leaf. We can see a colorless narrow border along the torn edge. Carefully pull out the thin membranous transparent layer from the lower epidermis using a forceps. Put the epidermis peel into watch glass containing distilled water. Take few drops of saffron solution using a dropper and put into another watch